This is Wilson.
Hey guys, it's Ashley.
And we're about to give you a walkthrough with some descriptive updates to 2380 Olympic Drive in Westboro, South San Francisco.
The sellers really wanted to make this move-in ready for the next buyers to make it their home. And so they really went through a lot. And so we're excited to kind of show all this transformation. So you'll notice from the photos, the before and after, the main thing that stands out is the home used to be a little bit of yellow and maroon. So we've came in and completely did an exterior painting, as well as just cleaning up the landscaping at the front and the backyard. And you can just, it really has that curb appeal now that as soon as you drive up, you can tell the transformation already from the exterior.
And as you enter the property, what did we end up doing in the first floor?
So as soon as you enter the home, you come into the entryway where we redid the flooring there, as well as the staircase that leads you up to the second floor. But downstairs is tons of family space. You'll notice that we removed the popcorn ceiling. We also removed all of the carpet and laminate and tiling and replaced that with updated laminate flooring, as well as installing recessed lighting throughout. There's also a full bathroom downstairs, so replace the shower door, the countertops. You'll see that there's new finishes in there, as well as there is what has been used by the sellers as a bedroom. So there's this extra family room space as well as a bedroom downstairs with all new flooring, recessed lighting, as well as the access to the backyard. Once you head up the staircase, you'll find that we've installed a new handrail, painted the staircase, as well as installed the new chandelier lighting, which is a signature touch in this home. And then we head up to the second floor where you'll find the 3 bedrooms. Two full baths, as well as the updated kitchen, refinished flooring throughout, as well as new recessed lighting. The living room space and the dining room space is more of a lofted area where you can look down into the family room and outside, and we've also installed a new chandelier lighting there as well. So generally in a lot of the homes that we find here in the Westboro neighborhood, we do see a lot of the flat homes, but this one's really unique as it has the arch, so it allows a lot of windows and natural lighting coming into this space. You can see out to the backyard with these large windows, as well as on the front side, you'll see from the transformation, it's really opened up the natural light coming in with this sliding glass door that leads out to the balcony off of the living room space.